Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to buy Bitcoin on Webull. First, you'll need to open a Webull brokerage account. This is a quick process that involves providing some basic personal information. Once your account is set up, you'll complete identity verification. Finally, link your bank account to fund your Webull account, which is essential for making your first Bitcoin purchase. After setting up your account, the next step is to fund it. You can easily deposit money from your linked bank account directly into your Webull trading account. Make sure you deposit enough to cover your intended Bitcoin purchase. While deposits are usually quick, it's good to remember that transfers can sometimes take a few business days to fully process before the funds are available for trading. With funds in your account, you're ready to find Bitcoin. Open the Webull app and navigate to the dedicated crypto trading section. Here, you can easily search for Bitcoin by its ticker symbol, BTC. Take a moment to review the current market data and price trends. This helps you make an informed decision before placing your order to buy Bitcoin. Now for the exciting part, placing your order. Select the buy option for Bitcoin and choose your preferred order type, like a market order for immediate execution. Then, simply enter the amount of Bitcoin you want to purchase. Double-check all the details on the confirmation screen before you execute the trade. Congratulations, you've just bought Bitcoin on Webull.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.